Hey there, gearheads. Today we're diving into the world of supercars to answer a burning question. Is the McLaren Artura the game changer the supercar world needs? Let's kick things off by introducing the McLaren Artura, a revolutionary hybrid supercar that seamlessly blends high performance with eco-friendliness, engine, transmission, and performance. The Artura is powered by a new hybrid twin-turbo V6 powertrain that makes a combined 690 horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque. During our initial test drive, we praised the Artura for its appropriately searing acceleration, but noted it lacked the auditory gratification we like in rival sports cars. McLaren must have agreed, as the 2025 Artura features a reworked exhaust designed to emit a more passionate soundtrack. The Artura is also the first McLaren to ride on the company's new carbon lightweight architecture, MCLA, which is said to be lighter than its predecessor's structure. Handling is razor-sharp and a blast to pitch around a racetrack, but it also has a softer side that provides a comfortable ride for commuting or highway cruising. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside, the Artura demonstrates McLaren's function before fashion approach. However, the cabin is dressed up with snazzy materials, such as leather and micro-suede. There's also less visible carbon fiber than is typical on other McLaren models. Still, the company is known for its minimalist cabin designs that limit the presence of physical switchgear and steering wheels that are free of buttons, and the Artura is no exception. It comes standard with power-adjustable seats and looks to have excellent outward visibility to help drivers place the car precisely on the road or the racetrack. While it's not as capacious as the McLaren GT, the Artura boasts 6 cubic feet of luggage space in the front trunk. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 McLaren Artura starts at $256,308 and goes up to $281,808 depending on the trim and options. Artura Coupe is $256,308. Artura Spider is $281,008. While the open-top Spider is undeniably enticing, the Coupe is still the purest representation of the Artura's core mission statement. It's also a quite bit less expensive. Of course, for wealthy sun worshippers, the approximately $25,000 upcharge for the Spider might seem like a bargain. There are countless options available for both models. So what do you think of the McLaren Artura? Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exhilarating supercar reviews. Stay tuned for the future of automotive excellence.